Hello everyone, you're welcome to Tips and Trick with Praiz. So today I'm going to be teaching you how I got my appliques on my dress while I wear it on my mannequin. Over time, I know how messy this process can be, especially when you are working with a very thin fabric that is most likely going to attach to your mannequin. So I'm going to be using UH gum for this tutorial, and you know how hard that gum can be. Yeah, you do. So I'm just going to go ahead and wear a thin nylon bag on my mannequin so as it's not to mess up my mannequin. I love my mannequin so much. It's one of the life of my job. So you know I'm working with a very thin fabric here. I'm working with a tune or net, whatever it is you know it as. So I'm just going to go ahead and wear this nylon bag on my mannequin and put it out nicely, lay it out nicely, and I'll just place my cloth on it and gum away. You can use any sort of nylon for this tutorial. You can use a foil paper. Yes, you can use a foil paper. You can use any sort of polyethylene bag as well. Any bag that you know that cannot leave off marks on your fabric while you're taking it off. Anyone that will peel off easily. Make sure not to use a very strong bag that will tear your fabric, especially if you're working with a very thin fabric like I'm currently doing. So this process is going to keep your mannequin life very, very long, even though it's lifeless. If at this point you're still watching and you're yet to subscribe, I don't know what you're doing. No, please subscribe, like, and engage in the comment section. We don't have to just be quiet around it. This is a community of learners, so we have to keep it going. Yes, we have. So at this stage now, I've finished putting my nylon on my mannequin. I'm just going to take out my appliques like you're saying. I'm using these fine looking appliques like this. I'm just going to put it now. I don't have to worry so much about it ripping off or coming to my mannequin. I'm just going to apply it and make sure I check while I'm doing it, just to be sure that I'm not overdoing it at the back of the dress. So just look at it, lay it out very well, make sure there's no squeeze or whatsoever, and just look. I've got some part of this and I'm trying to peel it off. You can see it's going off very smoothly, and you don't have to yank it off. Just take your time and peel it off. Don't stress yourself. So you see, this tutorial is quite straightforward, and since I learned this tutorial, I've had no worries about my mannequin anymore. Now I'm going to be showing you the final look of this dress. Guys, I just want to show you and prepare you that I made a very cute wedding dress out of this tutorial. As you can see, the pictures of my beautiful bride and the videos of my beautiful bride. So guys, just look at them and enjoy the slideshow. Bye bye.